This machine changed ideas about calculation. Nobody imagined gears could replace electricity. Here is why it matters. The difference engine looks like a giant clock. It stands tall, with brass plates and wooden frames. Its form is built from many rotating gears. Workers attached each gear to a metal rod. The rods link to small levers called cams. Cams, small bumps that push levers, guide the paper motion. The lever pushes a sheet that records numbers. The function was to compute mathematical tables. It could add numbers without human error. The engine printed results directly onto paper. Engineers used it to avoid costly mistakes. The aesthetic mixes steam age style with science. Polished brass shines under gaslight bulbs. Ornate engravings give it a vintage look. A forest of gears creates a rhythmic ticking sound. That sound reminded people of a busy factory. Charles Babbage designed it in the 1820s. He imagined a world run by machines. Builders followed his drawings literally. They used wooden blocks to test gear ratios. The final model covered 3 meters long. It weighed over 1 ton, yet moved smoothly. Operators turned a hand crank to start work. The crank set all gears into motion. Numbers traveled through copper rods like electrical signals. This design proved mechanical logic works. Modern computers still follow the same basic data flow. Museums now display a full-size replica. Visitors watch the gears turn like a giant watch. The engine reminds us that gears can think.